my daddies! Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, baby girls, go ahead and subscribe. So become a baddie. We lit over here. We cute over here. We bad over here. Duh. I mean, we baddies for a reason. And my name is Bubbles, the baddie.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, actually, it's Bubbles the baddie. I'm tripping. It's Bubbles the baddie, okay? And in today's video, y'all gonna come with me to get my hair done. Okay, so actually, I'm on my way to my hair appointment right now. If y'all a true baddie, y'all would know this is not my car. This is my mama's car. My tires are going bad in my car, and I don't want to risk it and then end up being late to my appointment. So I'm driving my mama's beautiful car today. Thanks, mom. But yes, I'm on my way to get my hair done today, and today I'm just super duper excited because I'm honestly excited to get my hair done because I be feeling like a new bitch and I be feeling reinvented and super cute. But I'm extra excited today because for one, I'm getting color today, and I haven't gotten color in a minute. I've been getting like highlights and like blonde and stuff like that, but like actual color, I haven't gotten color in a minute. And two, because I'm working with my boy LaiQuan today, so I'm super duper excited. Me and him, we haven't collabed in a little while, but I'm super excited because your boy be slaying some fucking hits. Okay, I'll leave his Instagram on the screen right here so y'all can see some of his previous work, and y'all about to come see him do his work on my hair. So let's go ahead and get right into this freaking video.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, y'all, so I'm on my way to my appointment. It's 10:13. My appointment is at 10:30. But I started to get breakfast, but I was like, who the fuck about to pay $3.50 for a little bacon and cheese biscuit? Hardy, she got me fucked up. No,
it's too much.
And there's no McDonald's like right here, so yeah, I just decided to go ahead and go to my appointment. I gotta get into these lashes though. These lashes are from Bougie Brats. If they look familiar, they were in my Instagram Controls My Life video. They were one of the options for my lashes. Be sure to choose these, but I think I messed up because these are actually mad cute. But I was scared to put them on because it's like, y'all see, like not all the lashes are even, but these are mad cute. They giving me wispy vibes. They look so cute, and I know like you're not seeing the full effect, but after I get my hair done, baby, I'm gonna be a whole fucking baddie. And put on some lip gloss, I'm gonna be a whole fucking baddie. Like, just fucking wait on it, okay? I'm so excited. And it's burnt. I'm getting fucking ginger today, and I think this is literally like the best color for me to get because I wanted something bright. I didn't want to get nothing dull, like no damn gray or red. Like, I wanted a bright color, right? But I also wanted something neutral. So ginger is like fucking perfect, and I'm excited to see how this looks on my skin. I hope it looks good. I hope I don't look like a fucking like pumpkin or anything clownable. I just want to look really really cute with it, so I'm hoping that it'd be a whole fucking vibe. I mean, I look cute on most hairstyles, so I'm pretty confident this is gonna look good. But you know, it's still like oh, what if it look ugly on you? But I trust my boy LaiQuan, so I know it's gonna look fly, whatever. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm kind of nervous, but excited. And yeah, y'all see I blow dry my hair, so I'm all nice and prepared. All you gotta do is braid it down and slap my fucking wig on. Period. Ooh, lighting. Okay. I wish I had my freaking hair done so I could take some selfies, but okay. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? Cause your girl is a freaking ginger now. Am I not the cutest ginger you ever seen? Baby, LaiQuan bodied this. The curls, that's what I can't get over. The curls, baby. The volume. So much volume, y'all. He cut it into layers. This hair is from UNice hair. I want to thank y'all so freaking much for sending me this hair, because obviously we did the damn thing with it. I mean, color, curls, layers, and we don't have any parts. We just want to do like a fun little free look, and this hair is so freaking cute on me. Yeah, I'm getting like Doja Cat vibes, I swear to gosh. And baby hairs, baby. Oh, okay. I thought a bitch who lace did not match her skin said something. I thought a bitch who baby hairs looked like they were fucking struggling said something. Oh, okay. I mean, I'm that bitch, period. Ooh, I love when I get freaking curls and I can go like this. Baby, yes. Yeah, get into it. Y'all gotta quit playing my boy LaiQuan. Y'all gotta follow him on Instagram so y'all can see more looks that he does. Y'all got to follow him because he really be doing the thing. Like, you can tell, like, he really be doing the fucking thing. Okay, boo? I look so cute, and he picked out this color. Like, he picked out this color. I told him, you know, just do whatever color you want to, and he picked out this color, and he knew what he was doing because he knew like it would match with my skin. And I told y'all I was really freaking nervous about how it would look on my skin, but it looks really great. I feel like it makes my skin look like brighter and like more red or whatever. It looks really, really cute, dude. I'm the only black ginger that you know, because you cannot tell me it's not my real hair. I was born this fucking hair, period. You cannot tell me it's not my hair. You cannot tell me it's not my fucking hair. Okay, baby, so if y'all want this full look, y'all need to make sure y'all shot with UNice hair, okay? Y'all seen I got the hair back to back because it's just that good quality. Y'all seen that it took dye very well. It's still super soft, still super bouncy, lots and lots of volume. This is a 13 by 4, 613 wig and 24 inches. And y'all, like, I'm not tall, but I'm not like the shortest person either, and easily going to like the bottom of my back. So this is a good length. If y'all want this exact slay, y'all need to book with LaiQuan, because y'all, who you know slaying hair like this? Who you know other than my boy Quilly? Like, LaiQuan really laid the fuck out this. Baby hair is fleeky, curls looking good, layers. I really cannot get over this in style, and I'm like so glad I tried this color because it's so different and it's like stepping out my comfort zone, which is what I want to do. I'm so tired of black hair, so yeah, I really love this whole fucking look. I gotta say thank you to LaiQuan, thank you to UNice, because they are the reason I have this whole bomb ass look. Like, what? I'm like loving it, but I'm also like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I tried this color. Like, oh my goodness. But yeah, this hair is bomb. Make sure y'all shop with UNice, follow and book with LaiQuan if y'all are local and baddies. Go ahead and subscribe to me if you're not already. Make sure that you like this video because my hair is bomb, period. And comment what you think of my hair. Thumbs up if you like this color on me, thumbs down if you don't. Bye, baddies.